Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this, you're back with another episode. This is an install video with Mr. AJ and his Focus. This is a custom do-it-yourself video today. DIY. It's something you can do at home. All my videos you can do at home. You can do basically, but this, yeah, it won't cost you much. I was looking at things like this online, and I thought there's a lot of money for what they are. I mean, I would buy one. I don't care how much they were. I would have bought one. But then I come across this online. It came up in my recommendations. I don't know why it came up in my recommendations. It's maybe because it was sort of a similar sort of product, I guess. And it is a lot cheaper. So I looked at it and thought, I wonder if I can make that fit on what I want it to fit on. And then I've saved myself over 140 quid maybe. If you wonder what it is, I've got it here beside me. This is an unboxing video as well. I don't know if you guys want me to do this unboxing and install video combined together, or would you rather I do the unboxing video separately then do the install afterwards? Let me know at the bottom. It might vary sometimes though, because if it's like today raining, I can't do the install, but I'm still going to do it anyway because I can remove it from the car and take it indoors. It's not that big. So this is, guys, the install on a custom made spoiler lip. Now I've got it here in front of me. Let's unbox it, shall we? So it comes in some packaging. It came with some more packaging, but just to save time, I took it out. There it is. Now, some of you may have already seen this sort of stuff before. It's got 3M tape on it, so it's good shit. Some of you may have already seen this stuff before. I've never come across it. I've looked online and it seems to pop up quite a lot. So a lot of people obviously do buy this sort of stuff. It is to make your own custom splitters, side extensions on your side skirts. No one has ever made these fit as a spoiler though. Someone's never ever stuck them on and make a spoiler lip. You know, you can buy those sort of lips, can't you, for the ST spoilers? Well, this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to use the side skirt, front splitter, majiggy thing, whatever this is, to make my own spoiler lip. Now this cost me £6.80 or something like that off eBay. Now I came up with my recommendations. I don't know why, but like I said, I was looking at diffusers, I was looking at splitters for this car. You know, I was looking at all kinds of things just to enhance the. Like I said, I want to enhance the outside of the car, you know, the exterior. And this came up. Now those spoiler extensions, you can buy lips, whatever, are about 160 quid, maybe 190 some of them. This, like I said, it's like 6 quid. This ain't going to cost you much. This ain't going to break you. And if it ain't any good, then I've not really lost much, to be honest. Then I will just end up buying the lip. But I want to give this a go. It's all about DIY in this video, on these videos as well. It's not just about installing expensive car parts. It's doing it on the budget as well. So stay tuned, guys. This is the spoiler lip do-it-yourself video. I seem to be spending a lot more time on the back of the car at the moment. Don't worry, the rest of it's going to get stuff done to it, but this is what I need to get done. I've already wiped it back, but like I said, it is raining today. It's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to you all. This video, time it comes out though, it would have gone past Christmas. But yeah, it's Christmas Eve today. Again, all about dedication. I have just given this spoiler a quick wipe down and a quick clean off. I did wash the car yesterday, but like I said, it's starting to rain, so I need to take the spoiler off. As you know, they're quite easy to remove from underneath. There's only like 2 or 3 bolts on and some clips. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the spoiler off and take this indoors. But before I do that, I want to unwind the custom lip thing I'm going to make, and see what it looks like first on here before I actually take it off and put it indoors. So let's do that. Alright then, guys. Oh, God, this rain out here is really bugging me. So yeah, I like it. Obviously I've got to sort of bend it so then it sits at a certain angle. But yeah, what I need to do as well is snip the corners so now I can fold this in and around and down, and I might trim the corners just to have like a bit of an angle on it. I'll just cut it like a 90-degree sort of cut here, like that. I'm not going to go all the way to the end, I might just go about here, just before the ST logo. But other than that though, that's what it, well, obviously sit closer to the edge. That's what it will look like, guys. Yeah, I like it. Right, let's remove this spoiler and get it indoors and then start and do this. And I'll explain what tools you're going to need. Right, first thing you need to do, guys, obviously I've already explained how to do this in my other videos. You need to remove the metal clip in here. I think it's a 10mm nut there, and the same on the other side. And then as you take it apart, obviously just remember to disconnect your brake light and your little washer. Mine's blanked off because obviously I don't have a rear wiper, so mine's blanked off. So yeah, and that's how you remove the spoiler, guys. Just don't drop it. I'm going to do that now, and I will see you indoors. Sorry guys, forgot to mention the ones on the end. There's also one underneath all this plastic under here. There's 3 under here as well. Totally forgot about those. That's where you can unplug it all as well. So don't forget to do that. Right guys, it stopped raining. I've waited for about half an hour. It stopped raining, and so I've decided to do it here on the table we've got in the garden. So wipe it down, make sure it's all dry, clean, no dirt, no grease, nothing on it. Wipe it down. And then, the tools you're going to need are Stanley knife, just in case you need to cut the corners, your hairdryer, heat gun, just to warm it up, and your desired lip that you've ordered online. Now, they do different colours, they do all the colours under the sun. I went for matte black, and they do gloss, they do carbon effect, like I said, do red, yellow, green, all that kind of palaver colours. So I just went for a nice subtle black for now. Like I said, I don't want to go for colour just in case it doesn't look any good. Let's get started. So like I said, you've got to clean it, wipe it all down, make sure there's no grease and dirt on it, and then line it up. You might need to get some masking tape as well, just so I can stick it on and get an idea on where I need it before I start cutting into it. So you're going to need masking tape as well. Right, masking tape. So if you're thinking, why do you need the hairdryer? What you want to do is get the surface of the spoiler at a good temperature, get it nice and warm, get it nice and hot. Same with the tape on there, because it works better when stuff sticks together when it's hot and warm. So you need to warm up the lip of the spoiler here and the tape that's on there. Just makes life easier, and it'll get a better bond that way. So anyway guys, what you want to do, like I said, do what I'm doing here, just copy me. I'm not going to talk for this, I'm just literally going to lay over some music and just relax doing this. Looks like it won't. Getting there. So now I need to get a, which will be angling this. Let's go. As close as you can to the edge. Okay guys, so I scrapped the idea of it going round to the side. I angled it like that. So I've got the angle just right. Sorry, camera angle is a bit off. My angle is fine. I'm going to do it like that. So I've angled it to follow the curvature of the spoiler. It look quite cool. Now I just need to do the same on that side, but yeah, I just need to make sure it's the same length. Obviously. Get in there. Getting there. Right. Need to make sure the lip is line. Before I start cutting it. Right, to measure that side to that side, get a pencil or a pen, lay down some tape, measure, I will show you. Yeah, lay down some tape along this bit here, so then you get the curvature of the spoiler. So you measure from the end of that curvature there to the tip of that. That's from the tip of there to the end of the curvature which finishes there on this. That's the distance you want to put on that side, so then you get the right cut here. So as you can sort of see a faint line on here. I follow the curvature. I've stuck the tape upside down so it actually sticks to this part, so now I can get the right cut. You can't see it on camera, but yeah, I've penciled a mark along there and I've penciled it on there. That's the tip, that's the end right there I need to get, and that's the line of the spoiler, so I can get a nice cut that I need. Then, after you've done that, get the bit that you cut, which would have been that way, on that side, flip it round the other way so then it's facing in. Yep, so now I've flipped it round that way. That's the side that I want to get the right angle and get the right shape as the other side. So we'll slip it on there, like that, tip to tip. That's the angle I want. As you can sort of see, that's the angle that I want to cut now. So I will get my pencil and I will trace that and then cut it. This stuff is very easy to cut. We do is slice it ever so gently along the top, like that. Not even pushing into it, and it sort of splits it a little bit like that. So it's nice and easy to cut. And then just take your time cutting through it. Voila, there we go. Just get the other side, measure, as you can see it's the same. It's the same, so it's all good. And now the shape should follow the rest of the spoiler, which it does, once I've stuck it down. Right, so there we go guys, I've now cut the ends and how I want it. It is in the position that I want it, so now I've got to remove it, wipe it down again, make sure it's dry, make sure there's no crap underneath it. Then I need to get the hairdryer, heat up the spoiler along the tip, get it nice and hot, and then I need to get the tape off, do it bit by bit, heat up the tape and stick it down. Then I need to get some more masking tape and tape it down, just hold it in position, leave it for a few hours and then whack it back on the car. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to pause the video here guys. No, wait, I'm going to let the video run, but I'm going to fast forward it while I'm doing this. Right guys, and there we have it. Not much talk in this episode. I just thought I'll concentrate on this because I want to get it just right. Yeah. Wow. When it's set and settled down, now remove the tape and put it back in the car, then I'll see what it looks like. But for now, the job's a good one, and I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here guys, and I will chuck in a clip at the end of this video when it's back on the car, and in all its glory. So and there we have it guys. Spoiler's back on. I've left it for like an hour or so. Sat indoors next to the radiator. Knocking outside with the heat gun again. Heat it up. Oh mate, that looks so nice. That's changed the whole style of the car. Look at that. That looks so good. Who would have thought it, eh? When I went off camera, I trimmed up a little bit more here because this is pointing a bit further down there, so I trimmed it a bit more straighter, and then I got the Stanley knife and very carefully cut very gently on the edges to give it some sort of curvature instead of just make it look like it's cut off. Same with the other side really. Now I straightened it out there, and then I've got the Stanley knife and curved it. Give it some sort of like texture. Look like it's supposed to be there. So there we have it guys. That's the custom DIY lip spoiler. Trying to get all the angles installed, and I must say it looks good. It looks so good. Remember guys, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and go give it a go yourself. I'll leave the link in the description where I got this from, and yeah, remember I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, hit me up on there, and I will catch you guys on the next install video very soon. Cheers for watching. Peace.